Hi, this is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty and Property Manager for Mills Elite Homes. I'd like to give you a walking tour of my latest rental listing at 1704 Riverside Court, Northeast Conyers. The first thing you'll notice is that this property is part of a really nice, comfortable and cozy duplex. Just want to give you this brief walking tour. It's a beautiful, lovely, very quiet neighborhood. Just had this apartment had it professionally cleaned. It's 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. You have this nice open concept of your dining area and living area space. You have your stainless refrigerator. Electric stove, dishwasher, sink. This unit comes with full-size washer and dryer. This is your full bathroom number 1. You have a nice hall closet right here. This is bedroom number 1 here. It's a good size bedroom and really nice closet that's actually deeper on both sides than the door. Over here is the master bedroom. You have nice ceiling fan lights, nice big open space. One thing I really like about this bedroom is the walk-in closet. So you have a nice big walk-in closet here. Tub shower combo, nice laminate flooring. For more details about the rental amount, the terms, and qualifications, give me a call or text at 678-590-5999. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more walkthrough videos like this one. Thank you and have a blessed day.